High-speed centrifugal spray dryer operation process description. Centrifugal spray dryer is a multi-purpose spray dryer that has been researched, developed, and experimented with reference to foreign advanced technology. Centrifugal spray drying is the most widely used process for liquid process forming in the drying industry. It is most suitable for the new spray drying process in powder, granular solid products, chemical, pharmaceutical, food, and biological industries from solutions, emulsions, suspensions, and pumpable pasty liquids. The unit has advantages of short heating time, high thermal efficiency, and perfect dust removal system, high degree of intelligence, comfortable operating environment, and superior product quality to other drying processes. The core unit of the unit is a high-speed centrifugal atomizer. The maximum speed of the atomizer can reach 20,000 revolutions per minute. The high-speed centrifugal force will quickly atomize the liquid into a mist-like liquid. The mist-like liquid and the hot air are in full contact with the rotating hot air. Dry and dried powders are recovered by a dust collector and the recovery rate can reach over 98%. The design inlet air temperature is 80 to 350 degrees centigrade, and the dehumidification temperature is about 70 to 100 degrees centigrade. The corresponding evaporation water is 5 to 10,000 kilograms per hour. The materials of the drying tower body and its attachments are selected by the customer according to the material properties. The heat source needed for drying hot air can be realized by various schemes such as coal, oil, gas, and electricity. The arrangement of equipment can be arranged according to the actual needs of users. The unit consists of a hot air heating treatment system, material and liquid delivery system, main tower atomization drying system, finished product collection system, and control system. The main features of this machine are as follows. 1. Drying speed is fast. After the material liquid is atomized, the surface area is greatly increased. In the hot air system, 95% to 98% of water can be evaporated instantaneously, and the drying time is only a few seconds. It is especially suitable for heat-sensitive materials. 2. The product has a good uniformity, mobility, and solubility. Product purity, good quality. 3. Wide range of use according to the characteristics of the material. It can be dried with hot air, or it can be granulated with cold air. Products with large differences in characteristics can be produced with this machine. 4. Dry products have good fluidity, dispersibility, and solubility. Since the drying process is completed in an instant, the product can basically keep the spheres similar to the droplets. 5. Simplify the production process, convenient operation and control. Compared with the traditional wet process, the dried product does not need to be crushed and saved, which reduces the production process and simplifies the production process. 6. Using PLC automation control system, all operations according to customer requirements to set the process parameters automatically. Centrifugal spray dryer work. First, check the power supply, air source, water source is normal. Open the control system, set the temperature and other parameters. Open the induced draft fan. The natural wind enters the heating system after filtering treatment, and finally enters the main tower for empty tower preheating. Open the atomizer. When the temperature reaches the set value, open feed liquid pump. Feed liquid to the atomizer through the high-speed rotation of the atomized dispersion disk to spin off the liquid droplets into fine droplets. Droplets and hot air flow in contact. In the evaporation process, the droplets are easy causes swelling, collapse, crushing, and splitting, resulting in porosity, forming an irregular shape, drying into a dry product in a very short period of time. The finished product being continuously discharged from the cyclone separator, entering the receiving drum, exhaust gas being discharged by the fan air. Fine droplets. Droplets and hot air flow in contact. In the evaporation process, the droplets are easy causes swelling, collapse, crushing, and splitting, resulting in porosity, forming an irregular shape, drying into a dry product in a very short period of time. The finished product being continuously discharged from the cyclone separator, entering the receiving drum, exhaust gas being discharged by the fan air.